Okay, welcome back. This time we go and get the rear end that was actually in my original car that me and my dad put in there, I think in around the 80s or whatever. It's a 31 spline, 9-inch rear end that come out of I believe it was a 57 or 58 station wagon. And then in like late 83, 84, we ended up putting these ladder bars on that thing. And my uncle's had it sitting over there since the mid-90s. And we're going to get that thing, and that was one reason that I wanted to try to build the car back all just like it was. Check it out. Had to have them brake drums painted red back in the 80s.
Been a long time since I pulled a Saturday on painting one, but it is for my Uncle Wayne and Aunt Jana. I think this is what she's going to be driving, so we're going to see if we can spray one. Got the heat turned up on this Saturday morning. It's something different, but they've got it already, and I'm going to come over here and paint this old car over here. One day, I'm going to be painting my Falcon in this building right here. This is where all the Pontiacs has been fixed for my uncle. It needs to be cleaned up, but that'll be all right.
After Wayne got the Falcon for me, before he got rid of it, he took the rear end out of it, hoping he might put it in one of his drag cars, but he never did. So it's been laying underneath that car inside the drive for all those years.
When your uncle and aunt is a hoarder, and you're sure are glad they are, I got the other one, there it is, and oh, wow, was that Pontiacs? Oh, God, Pontiacs everywhere. So that's how come this thing don't fit in over here. Well, I got it out of there by myself. Now if I can just get it loaded up on this thing right here. First time it's been moved since the 90s. So I just can't believe he saved it all these years.
I also dug my old rotisserie out of there while we had it over there on I forget what truck it was, but it was on a truck cab over there. And so we're bringing that thing home today when we're bringing the rear end home. I don't know what all this is in the background.
I told you, I'm wanting this stuff out of here bad. Here it goes. After being in here sometime in the mid-90s. Now why my back hurts. Golly. This thing must be a female creeper. It keeps trying to run into stuff. Oh, wait, that's probably not right. Yeah, oh yeah, it is too, right? Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to turn it off, pull it out there. I'll let you see it when we get out there. All right, we're back at it. Before anybody asks, yes, that is absolutely perfectly safe. They call that redneck ingenuity. Go ahead. Better known as good enough for who it's for. There you go, now walk it back out while it's down low. We have steel-toed shoes on, the whole 9 yards. Look there. And believe it or not, this is the first time we ever done this. Alright. And like I said, this is the rear end that was in my car that me and my daddy put in that car in 1980, I think is when it was. And then we had these ladder bars put on it in 1984. And they're right here in the back. There you go. Let her down. Yep. And in about 2 seconds, it's back in my possession, just like that. He done better this time. And here's all my homemade rotisserie we had over here. I think we had a 50-something GMC pickup truck on that thing that Wayne was working on at one time. And one of my old bosses, Jerry Fain, love that old man. And he built this thing and put his, I believe that thing's a 55 Chevrolet that he built on that thing back 30-something years ago.
Just remembered something while I was trying to edit this video. That rear end came from a place called Old Car City down 411. Now it's like a tour through there for like $5. You can go through there and look at the things that they've had left over. And there's my parts car.
Okay, you can only do so much stuff by yourself. I gotta give me some better stuff here. But got the rear end out of here. Now I'm gonna take it over here for its resting place until it's time to use it. Hopefully not tear my barn down. I'm gonna put it right over here and tie it to this pole. That way it can't fall.
Now that I've got it home, I can clean it all up and check it. Of course, I'm going to put new seals and bearings and all that stuff in it. I'm going to take it apart and see what all's inside of it, and then I'll do one cleaning it all up.